Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Kaspa video update. Today it's time we talk about Kaspa and what Kaspa is doing. Now, this is one of the most brutal fake outs that I've ever seen so far, and it does look like so many people who comment that never short Kaspa is actually a reality. Just never short it. Maybe that's the mantra at this point of time. So there's one thing that I noticed on the weekly, and that is on the weekly we do have a fake out. You can see that this was that, and then you went below it, and then you try to come back, and this was a very perfect fake out, okay, for the very first time. I mean, you cannot do anything about it. That's the reality. It's a fake out. It happened. Game over. Okay. Now at this point of time, 0.044, 0.044 was the invalidation of the downtrend, and we are up at 0.048 at the moment. That actually does mean that we have invalidated the move to go down, and let's talk about what's going to happen. So for that, I'm going to jump into the 4-hour time frame at the moment, and I want to show you a pattern that probably looks like is in play. So zooming out, you do have this one resistance there, second resistance here, and you probably have broken out, and as far as I'm concerned, the retest is happening, or it has been happened, of course. So you're looking for the retest right now, which is being held pretty nicely right there. So let's hope you don't go below the retest and try to do something like that and maybe fall all the way down to 0.041 once again, or 0.042 at this point of time. So in order for us to understand what's going to happen, I just want to show you the 1-hour time frame, or even better, it could be 15 minutes time frame. So let's go into the 15 minutes, and I want to talk about this one very quickly. So you do have this one resistance that has not been broken just yet. So notice how you have this trend line resistance going on. So one touch right there, second touch right over there, and third one right over here, and then you have the fourth one right over there. So we still need to get above this area and try to move to the upside. And you do have a technical target. If you do end up doing something like this, you might be possibly looking for 20-30% move up, and you have a technical target to 0.061994. That's potentially where we might be looking at Kaspa moving up if everything just goes okay, right? Because the downtrend is already invalidated. 0.044 is already hit it. The stop loss is already taken if anyone was looking to take that trade, which I never took, by the way. I don't even recommend futures personally. Now, in the next 2 minutes, we do have this candle, and we might be looking at another move to the downside. But I'm very careful, because this right here, may be the place where a lot of stop loss has been taken, and we might see something like this first, take stop losses, and then try to move to the upside, because it does make sense. People have their stop loss here as well. I just don't see CAS moving up all of a sudden, but it would make sense to come down, take the stop loss right there, and maybe just touch the zone and then go back up, and then finally, if things go okay, come up, break above here, and then move to the upside to a technical target that I've told you. So that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.